Hey, welcome to another episode of Cheapskate Garage. Today, we're doing something on the Mazda. We're going to rotate some tires, and I got something I got to show you because I've never had it happen to me before in my life. So, grab some popcorn, grab something good to eat. We're going to make this one real quick. So, a little fun fact here. Previous owner put the jack right up in here. I don't know if you can see it very well. Right up in there and dented the floorboard. So we might want to take that out. But a good jacking spot is right up under here. That's a great jacking spot. You can actually pick up the whole right side of the car from right there. So that's where we're going to put our jack at. Okay, so you want it right up under there. That's where you want it. Then you can just lift the hell out of it. Well, it looks like I got a blown strut right here. That's probably going to be fixed in a later video. But as you can see, the car kind of needs a little bit of maybe a camber issue or something. Tires are a little worn. Actually, this one's just more worn than everything else. I think this is the one that spins all the time. But every time you take the tires off, you want to shake it in and out. In and out. Make sure that the bearings are still good in there. Then if you shake it side to side, you can see if your steering joints are still good. And mine are still solid, so that's good. But it looks like a strut needs to be replaced. So that's more money to be spent on this car. As you can see by putting the jack in the right spot, I got both tires off the ground on this car. Let me zip these lug nuts off here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Watch, this tire probably won't do it. That's my lock lug nut. I hate the damn things. Alright. Yep, she's stuck on there. So we're going to have to take the BFH to it and break it free. Could you imagine trying to repair it or put a flat on or your spare on the side of the road and this happens? I'm going to show you how to fix that. Loose. There's my shake test. It's shaking the whole car. I'm not hearing it clunk back and forth. So we're good there. Those weren't that tight. That was the tightest one. Yep. Yep. Get my hammer again. There, one hit. I'm telling you, the other side was a lot more difficult, and that's what gave me the idea to film it. Show you guys what I'm going to do to cure this. Put my still good back tire up here on the front. Let me show you what I do. So what you want to do is you just get yourself any kind of anti-seize or grease if you want. You want to take it, put it all around this surface where it meets your rotor. Because what that's going to do is it's going to form a barrier and it's going to keep it from locking itself there. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. So once you get that, that's good. Another thing is, on these custom wheels, or they're factory wheels, I guess, on this car, but you can see where the wheel weights are. If you look on the inside of the wheel, and you don't see anything looking like that, but you see like a square spot where they might have been, you might want to take your wheels in and have them rebalanced. Because that's not good. So once you get the anti-seize on, you just throw it back on. And this camera doesn't like me today. Alright, time to put the wheel back on. And find all my lug nuts. When I'm using a power tool, I always like to start the threads myself. Just the first couple. Those power tools are too easy to cross thread it and then make a bigger job out of what you already wanted to not be a job at all. Let me get the Ugga Dugga machine. Get you a better angle there. What? First one I just go kind of tight. Second one, kind of tight. Come on. And then the third one, we run her home. There, front's done. Let's go do the back. Again, we got our anti-seize right in there, just around that flat spot where it's going to be touching the disc brake. We're going to put it back on. Oh, these things, I hate them. Gotta have this little lock guy. We got crackheads around here that'll probably steal them. I think we're done. There we go. So if you found this at all a little bit helpful or anything else, which it might be in the future, you never know, go ahead and give this video a like and a subscribe, because soon enough I'm going to be diving into the struts and I'm going to be diving into the brakes on this car if I plan to keep it on the road any longer. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night. Well, that's pretty typical. $35 spent on scratch tickets, not a damn winner.